Hello guys, welcome back. Ohayo gozaimasu. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update on Faraday future. Urgent update guys. Since we have here a squeeze of 43% in just one day. If you don't know my channel guys, I'm talking about Faraday future since years and I love to trade this stock. It's a beautiful swing trade stock, but now of course also with short squeeze potential we have here a massive volume spike. So we have to talk now about the price levels to the up and downside and what could lead here into a short squeeze. This is of course not financial advice, only my opinion based on the chart. Okay guys, quick and simple, I enable my drawings that you can see what is going on in case that you missed this Faraday future squeeze. No matter how high we can squeeze, I never recommend to FOMO in. We have a lot of squeeze and breakout stocks in the market, and my main mission is to educate you guys and of course to find those stocks before they squeeze. I don't know if you have seen also my my GoPro video here. This is also one of the stocks which I'm talking about since February 2025. And we had here a beautiful dip in the breakout zone, algo demand zone here. And as you can see, GoPro also is squeezing right now and already performed a 481% short squeeze, guys. This is what I'm doing. I never talk about stocks which are already squeezing. This is boring. This is what everybody is doing, guys. I do that before they squeeze because I have my chart techniques and also a stock program which identify these stocks. And yeah, Faraday future is also one of them. So what are the price goals, guys? We have here one squeeze trigger zone. By the way, guys, I'm sorry for interrupting. I just released also a new squeeze stock today on Patreon, and also one of our squeeze stocks from Patreon squeezed yesterday 152%, last week 100%. So same here, guys. I have my finest selection of squeeze stocks always here on Patreon, where I inform my members about these stocks and with all price level information. Usually we have every week one squeeze, but of course now the market is super bullish, so there should be much more. If you want to see those squeeze plays and short squeeze stocks, you can join us here, guys. We're growing every day. We have a very big and strong growing community. The full package membership is my most popular membership, and also the membership which unlocks all my content on Patreon. Not only the squeeze plays, I also have tutorials, guys, member FAQ section. So even if you are beginner in trading, here are a lot of content and information available which helps you to understand and improve your trading, guys. The link patreon.com/blackbelttrader is also available in the video description. For FFAI, guys, Faraday future, the only thing what I expect is that we retest this bearish supply zone here, so $3.47 until $3.47 and $4.24, guys. As long as Faraday future is not trading above this price range here, that means we are still not short squeezing. Don't get me wrong. We have a beautiful pattern here. We can see we could definitely see here some kind of U pattern. But when we want to see a short squeeze, we have to break through that zone here. And if we break $3.47, this is the moment where we can talk here about a massive short squeeze. Potential is there, no doubt about that, guys. We have here short squeeze potential for Faraday future. And if we should break that level, then there is a lot of room to go. I will let you know the price goals then if that happens. Right now, what you have to know, and I also mentioned that in my previous videos, is the squeeze trigger zone, which is waiting at $2.15. What does that mean? As long as Faraday future stays above $2.15, we have a super bullish setup and could see even a bigger short squeeze if the market makers bring the price below $2.15. Then we are back in the territory of the bears, and then we can see prices here, I would say between $1.70 and lower. Keep that in mind. Would I FOMO in here, guys? No, guys, I don't like to FOMO in. I never do that. I mean, also the RSI setup here shows a very strong support, but right now with the actual candle here, you can see that we have some weakness here on the RSI that doesn't, it's not necessary. It doesn't necessarily say that we just now start to tank down. I just want to tell you that we want to see here a higher RSI. So I want to see a continuation of the squeeze. Of course, we are overbought already. This is never in favor for me for a buy-in. I always waiting here for the shakeouts. And as you all know, I already said that I bought my Faraday future shares here in this zone. I always try to think like a market maker. My algo demand zone was 97 cents. and I caught the dip, guys. But now the golden pocket has been here filled with this candle already. That's the good news that we have, guys, that even the algos already did their job. They finished their job, and that was to bring the price back to $2.39. So when I for a second disable the drawings, then we can see that the squeeze is still active here. We still have support on the EMA lines here, and that is the reason, guys, when we bring the price of Faraday Future, or if Faraday Future can squeeze above $3.47, then we could see a much bigger squeeze incoming. Yeah, this is what I want to see. $3.47. Why is this so important? When we zoom out here, I will for a second disable the indicators, guys, that we have a clear picture here. What we can see here, the red line is $3.47. This is acting like a make it or break it price level. It can act like a squeeze trigger. We can see that we had here this massive gap up, this massive 10,000% squeeze in May 2024. And also here when the price came down after this 10,000% squeeze, that was the moment when we had here this massive technical reaction. The post squeeze which Faraday Future performed here, this candle, guys, until this candle was only the post squeeze, was already 319%. So keep that in mind. When we can break this price level here with volume, then Faraday Future has the potential to squeeze much higher. Warning signs, as I mentioned, is the RSI, guys. I don't like that at all, that we have here a bearish divergence, right? So the price is going up, the RSI is going down, but the volume looks good. We had 117 million trading volume. This is very good and in favor, of course, for a squeeze. If we can continue with this volume here in the next 1 or 2 trading days, guys, yeah, then we could see a massive short squeeze, and the market is proving right now that we can see a lot of squeezes. And also, yeah, check out my GoPro video, guys. Very interesting setup here. There is still some room to go, but I say that it was already here a very nice predicted short squeeze as well. Yeah, my dear friends, that's my update on Faraday Future. If you also want to use that chart program here, a lot of people asking me how I spot my trades, you know, how I control everything. Yeah, RSI alerts, breakout alerts, price alerts. I use TradingView for this, guys. This program, what you see here, is called TradingView. It's not only to draw charts like that, it's also, as I said, has a very nice mobile app to track your trades and, yeah, always stay ahead of the market. If you want to use that program, guys, or get that program for yourself, there is a discount link in the video description for the premium tier. This is also what I'm using here for all my trades and all my videos. My friends, that was the update. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Don't forget here to check out our Patreon. I just released a brand new meme stock today. This meme stock has 250 to 900% short squeeze potential, guys. And as you can see, we had already here a couple of breakouts in the past days. So the market is bullish. Take advantage of that and don't miss the next squeeze. Guys, that's it. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.